In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter and copy data in Excel using Power Automate Desktop. This process can significantly streamline your workflow by automating your Excel tasks, making your work not only faster, but often more accurate. Let's dive in and walk through each step together. First, we'll begin by launching the Excel application. In Power Automate Desktop, use the Launch Excel action. This will open the Excel app for us, just like you would manually click to start Excel. To keep an eye on what's happening and watch the automation in real time, make sure to set the visible property to True. This will show us each action as it unfolds and can be helpful for troubleshooting as you get more comfortable with automations. With Excel open, our next move is to access the specific workbook we want to work with. For that, use the Open Excel action. Here, you'll need to provide the exact path to your file. It's crucial to remember that having an exact path ensures Power Automate can find and open the file correctly. Now that we have the workbook open, we need to read the data from the worksheet. You'll want to use the Read from Excel worksheet action. If you have a specific range of cells you want to examine, you can specify it here. Alternatively, if you want to parse the entire worksheet, simply leave the range blank. The output from this action will be stored in a variable, typically called a data table, which we'll use in the next steps. With the data in hand, let's filter it based on our needs. Use the Filter Data Table action to set your criteria. This might be something like filtering by sales figures above a certain amount, such as Sales 1000. Define the column and set the condition that suits your objective. Once filtered, store this refined data in a new data table variable. This filtered data is what we will export to a new workbook. Now it's time to create a fresh Excel workbook where we'll save our filtered data. Use the Create New Excel File action and specify the desired location and file name for this new workbook. Having a separate file helps keep your filtered results distinct from the original data, which is always a good practice. We're now ready to write this filtered data into our newly created workbook. Use the Write to Excel worksheet action, specifying exactly where you want the data placed in the new file, a particular worksheet or range, for example. Finally, make sure everything is saved and tidy before concluding. Utilize the Save Excel action to ensure your new workbook is stored with all the modifications intact. Then, it's a good idea to cleanly close both the original and new workbooks using the Close Excel action. This helps maintain an organized and efficient workspace, freeing up resources on your computer. And there you have it, a streamlined way to filter and copy data in Excel using Power Automate Desktop. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you find this automation process as helpful as I do for boosting productivity and accuracy in your Excel tasks.